Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another video. So today I'm back with the same hair. This is the same wig that I had the video up a couple days ago of it ash blonde, and now it's purple, and now it's a bob, and now it was always a bob, but now like it's like a big bob, and it's like kind of like a messy one. So yeah, so this hair from Ishow hair. This was originally platinum 613 blonde. So if you want a blonde wig, this wig is great. I'll have a link down below. You can dye it, you can leave it blonde, you could tone it, you could, you know what I'm saying, do whatever you want to do to the blonde wig. You can even dye it black if you want to. So yeah, so this hair is from Ishow hair, like I said. I'm basically showing you guys how I did dye this hair, and I kind of realized that this exactly wasn't the color that I was going for. I was going for a lighter purple, but then I realized the lighter you go, the more hard it is if you're doing watercolor. So probably next time if I do lavender purple, I will actually just be doing it like dyeing the hair individually, like, you know, like actually like manually doing it instead of doing the dip dyeing method, because when the hair is lighter, it usually comes out a little more like, it's not like everything is not like the same. It's not like when it go darker, it's easier for the color to all flow together and be like, you know, kind of the same. But when the lighter you go, it's kind of like, it's like patchy, like it won't be. That's why I just end up doing all of the whole bottle of the dye, and it came out this color. I love the color. The color is beautiful. But just next time when I go for a lavender, I will actually just manually, like, you know, dye the hair. But anyway, so this hair is amazing. I love it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video of me watercoloring this hair. And yeah, so you guys in the next one. If you guys want to see how this hair, but keep in mind this hair, like I said, this hair was toned and the roots were dark before I dyed it. So I'll have that link down below if you want to see that. Don't forget to go purchase some Ishow hair if you're interested in some 613 blonde hair, and enjoy the video. So this hair was previously, like I said, before I turned it purple, it was toned, and like, if you want to see like the full video on that and what I did and how I did it, like I just want to show you guys so you can know, like, this is how the hair looked originally, like after, you know, platinum blonde, and then I made it, I toned it, I dyed the roots. So if you want to see that video, you know, link down below, because I don't want you guys to think that the hair that I'm dyeing was already, like, you know what I'm saying, was already like just platinum blonde. Like, no, it was toned and stuff. That's how I got the color that I did. So just letting you guys know. So I started with, you know, just what do you call this, like, whatever, a plastic box or whatever of hot water, and I used my Kiss Vivid Violet, and I basically just poured, like, I end up using the whole entire bottle, but I did like little by little, like mixing it first, and then like I said, the water's hot, so the color will dissolve really good. Like, you won't have like any chunks of hair of dye. You don't gotta worry about that, and it's semi-permanent hair dye. You know, it dissolves like really good in water. So I end up doing the whole bottle. So if you're interested, whatever, if you don't have the Kiss Temptation colors and stuff, I'll have a link down below for you. And yeah, so basically I did like a test, like, you know, just to test the color out and see how it would look. And I would just want to make sure that it was dark enough or whatever, just to see how it would look. So I was like, you know, satisfied with it. And I only dipped it in for like literally like a second, so it came out to that color. And then I'm basically putting in the wig, and like you can see, the wig is toned. It does have dark roots because I did, you know, manipulate the hair before. So I'm going to put the hair in the wig, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the top first, because I always want my... Oh, I actually didn't put the top first. Oh, the reason why I did that is because my roots are dark. That's why I end up putting the bottom in first. Usually I do the roots first, but since my roots were already dark, that's why I end up, you know, started with the bottom of the hair. I'm basically just moving the hair around, and I end up like just pushing the whole entire wig in, so that's my roots did become like a dark purple. But you won't see me do that here, but I end up like just putting the whole wig in and letting it sit for like 15 minutes, and the color came out pretty good. And this is how the color looked. It's a very like electric, you know, violet. It's very bright. My hair looks crazy, but it's gonna end up looking nice. So basically what I'm doing first is I'm basically just gonna make a part. I decided that I wanted to do bangs, something different, something, you know, fun, whatever. So I decided I'm gonna do bangs, and yeah, and I know everybody's gonna ask me, can you please do like a what is it, like a two, like, you know, like an ombre, like whatever, like dark blue on top, light blue on the bottom. I will be doing an ombre, so don't worry. I will, you know, I have colors coming this week. Like I said, I have a lot of blonde wigs that I received. So yeah, so basically I'm just making a part just to like where my bang is gonna start, and I end up actually changing it, which you'll see in the video. But that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just getting my part and seeing if I like it, if it, you know, if I want it to be there, just parting with my nails and a comb and stuff like that, I end up putting some mousse just to help it lay flat. Mousse just helps everything lay flat. And yeah, I'm basically just brushing it out, and like I'm gonna start cutting like in a second. So basically here I started cutting. I just used regular scissors, and it's so crazy how the hair looks like. It looks like a crazy like synthetic wig. That's what it looks like right now. The color kind of gives off like gives off that like synthetic vibe, but it's not. It's human hair. The hair is actually really good quality, but the color of the hair kind of makes it look synthetic-y, because like synthetic wigs usually have like this shiny type of color, but it's because it's so like like, you know, electric. Like it's like an electric like purple. And this is something that I noticed. You guys see how I'm flat ironing it and the color is like kind of changing? That's never happened with any of my hair before. But at the end result, like I don't know if the hair, like, if because it's like it's heat going to it automatically, at the end all the hair was like basically the same color as you seen in like my intro. So I don't know why I did that, but you'll notice like when I'm straightening the hair, like the color would like look right now, you see like it's like changed, like the purple like changes, but like it ends up like at the end of the video it looks the same. Like all the hair, like, you know, the colors is the exact same. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know why that happens, but anyway, so I'm basically just cutting my bangs like just to my liking, and just as you saw, I like cut the bob too. Basically just cutting how I want it. I'm not like a professional cutter or whatever, like, and this is how it end up looking, and the hair looks really good. But I am going to straighten it a little more, and what I'm showing you guys right here is that I end up like, I combed back some of the bangs, so I made a new part. I brought it a little more forward, as you can see, because I didn't want the bang so far back, so I end up changing it. But besides that, that's all I really did. I just, you know, straightened it and stuff. But I think it looks really cute. It's really fun. And as you can see, it's still doing that, like when the heat goes on it, like the color like changes, but then it goes back to like, I don't know, it's so weird, but it still looks cute regardless. So my hair is still, you know, purple or whatever. It hasn't like reverted or whatever, or changed colors. Like it's still the same. I have washed the hair since, you know, and the color still looks great. So, but yeah, it looks really cute. I like it. It's like a messy, like cute bob. It's not like perfect. I didn't want it perfect at all. So yeah, I like it. And I'm just kind of, you know, playing with my bangs, just kind of getting it to how I want it to be. And yeah, that's basically it. Answer a few questions that I typically get about, like, you know, watercolor dyeing hair. No, the color does not get on the lace. Second question I get, does it like leak? Like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, you know, does the color run? The color does run a little bit, but I've never had like where like all of the color has come out. Like, no, you know what I'm saying? Like the color runs, yes, a little bit, but it doesn't, like, you know what I'm saying, run where it's like the hair revert. But people think like the hair is gonna revert back to like blonde. Like, no. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you're interested in this hair, don't forget to purchase some Ishow hair. Follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting pictures with this hair. And yeah, this bob is really cute. I really like it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, I love you guys so much.